Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. It is time for a new spectacular epic dungeon piece. This is a piece for the fusion tile system, guys, but if you are not familiar with this, remember you can always create just a normal dungeon piece. If you want to give a try to the fusion tile system, check in the description box below. You will find a template. This is the universal piece template. You can download it, print it and use it on the graphics medium chipboard. This will be great for create and simulate the MDF universal piece. I'm gonna use a classic one in MDF. This is a piece created by Alexander Brenner from Dungeon of Fits, and we will use it empty today. So I will just take off the center and voila, this is the universal piece. And we are gonna create a multiple staircase. Crack on! So far we have a reversible stair tile. So basically we have a normal tile 4x4 on this side, and then we have a squared stair here that is going down. So far so good, but now I need to improve, I need to go further, I need to overkill this piece. So we are creating a stair that is going up and that is totally compatible with this piece. Some years ago I created a spiral stairway that goes up and down through 3 different levels. So you find the stair on your level, you can go up or down in the next levels. It's a quite famous video shown here. And now we are creating the same stuff with the Fusion tile system and on a squared shape. Crack on! I created a couple of templates in cardboard. This is normal cardboard, and I want to use them for create some pieces of stairs. I'm creating little steps because the piece will be playable but just on 2-3 levels. It's simpler to watch it than to explain it. Crack on. Now when you use templates, it's important to put on the both sides the same template, because in this way you are sure to have the maximum control of the wire, because it tends to bend when you push it against the the template. So it's important to have the template that is actually the same of the both sides, okay?
what if you can place also the light in this part of the wall? Should be great. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can support the channel through Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support me, and for you is like offer me a coffee per month, and for me is all the support in the world. Another beautiful way to support the channel is through PayPal, just a little donation, and yeah, everything helps. Till next time, happy crafting!